Okay, so I was having a problem with the kerosene heater smoking, and it was just burning off to one side, and the chimney was hanging up in there. What's causing it to hang up is the igniter. You can see as I pull this handle here, see the igniter moving, and it lights the wick. Well, it was hanging up just like that. So when you release the handle, it's supposed to push all the way back down in there, and it was hanging up, and then the chimney was sitting on the burner crooked like this. I was burning off to one side, so that was a easy fix. Just need to lubricate that a little bit. See how it's hanging up. So if you have that problem, or your burner's not, or your chimney is not sitting properly on the burner, that's probably the problem.